My name is Ron Bridges, and I am the Business Development Manager for M4 Connect. In this video, we're going to explore why someone would consider implementing the cCare automated system in their process. Why would someone consider cCare automated system for their process? Well, the answer is maximum uptime and maximum accuracy. We accomplish this by bringing various aspects of your pH maintenance needs into one place. The pneumatic retractable holder is the part of the cCare system that provides the user maximum process uptime. During an automated maintenance cycle, the pH sensor is retracted into the holder without interruption of the process. Isolating and draining the process pipe or tank is not required. All liquids needed to maintain the pH sensor, such as buffers, cleaners, and water, are delivered through the umbilical. This eliminates manual handling of the sensor, which in turn extends the life of the electrode versus manual maintenance procedures. The Unical pneumatic controller is what directs the various liquids based on what type of maintenance is required. If cleaning is needed, then the controller will signal for a cleaner to be pumped into the holder where the retracted pH sensor can be cleaned. If the sensor just needs to be stored during a plant maintenance turnaround, then the sensor can be stored in the holder with water to prevent the sensor from drying out. The Protos transmitter provides the instructions to the Unical controller to activate the different programs, again based on the maintenance needed. There are programs for calibration, cleaning, and storage, as well as customizable programs for any special requirements the customer might have for their specific process needs. The Protos can also transmit the system and sensor diagnostics information, providing a constant status on the health of the entire system. This leads to the maximum accuracy. To complete the system, we have onboard containers for the different calibration and cleaning solutions, which are used when a calibration or a cleaning program is running. The bottles have integrated level indication indicating when the system has 10 remaining calibrations or cleaning cycles. Typically, you have approximately 140 calibrations and cleanings with a full set of bottles. cCare can be used in a variety of industries and applications tailored to the customer's needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or reach out to us.